In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop notifications or alerts from SoundCloud app. So if you are receiving a lot of notifications or alerts from this app, you can see I have one here, and you wish to put this to an end, then follow these steps. Should you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to fix this, you need to go ahead and find this app through settings, and this will take you to the app info page. However, the simplest way to get to the app info page instead of going to settings is just by long pressing on the app like this, and you should see we have an app info here. So if I tap on this, it will take me to the app info page. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now under this, go ahead and look for permissions section, and below it you should see notifications. You can see if I open, all these types of notifications are on. Among the notifications are this: notification badges, floating notifications, permanent notifications, vibration notifications, play sound, as well as lock screen notifications. To turn all of them off at once, just toggle this or tap on this show notifications, and it will turn them off. As you can see, the notification that was up here has disappeared. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive any alerts from SoundCloud unless you go ahead and turn on these show notifications. So that's how you can permanently stop pop-up notifications from SoundCloud. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.